In today's video, I am going to walk you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to hide and show bodies in your design software. Whether you are working on a highly complex mechanical assembly or a simple creative project, knowing how to manage your workspace by toggling the visibility of specific components is one of the most fundamental skills you can master. It allows you to focus on internal details, clear away clutter, and work more efficiently without deleting any of your hard work. This method is the industry standard for maintaining a clean workflow, and by the end of this guide, you will be able to navigate even the most crowded projects with total ease. If this video helps you out today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive software tutorials. All right, let's get right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the software workspace where your project is hosted. Once your design has loaded and you are looking at your 3D model, your primary area of focus shouldn't be the center of the screen, but rather the left-hand side of the interface. Move your cursor over to the left panel of the workspace. This area is often referred to as the browser or the component tree, and it acts as the organizational heart of your entire project. It lists every sketch, every plane, and most importantly, every solid body you have created so far. If your project is becoming cluttered, this is where you will manage that visibility. Within this left panel, look for a folder specifically labeled as Bodies. In large projects, this folder might be collapsed to save space. To access the individual elements inside, you need to expand the Bodies folder. You can do this by clicking the small arrow or chevron icon located immediately to the left of the folder name. Clicking this will reveal a nested list of every individual solid body currently residing in your workspace. Now that the list is visible, you can begin the process of hiding a body. As you hover over the names of the bodies in the list, you will notice a small icon that looks like an eye. This is the visibility toggle. To hide a specific body from your view in the main workspace, simply click the eye icon next to the body's name. As soon as you click it, the eye icon will usually change appearance, often showing a slash through it or turning gray, and the corresponding body will instantly disappear from your 3D view. It is important to remember that the body is not deleted, it is simply invisible, which is perfect when you need to see what is behind it or underneath it. Managing visibility is a dynamic process, so eventually you will need to know how to show the body again. This is just as simple as hiding it. Find the name of the hidden body in that same list within the left panel. You will see the dimmed or slashed eye icon. Click that eye icon once more to reactivate the visibility. The eye icon will return to its original state, and the body will reappear in your 3D workspace exactly where it was before. This toggle system is designed to be fast, allowing you to flick parts on and off as you work through your design. Mastering this browser-based visibility control is the key to handling professional-grade models without getting overwhelmed by the sheer number of parts on your screen. You can use this for individual bodies or even groups of bodies if you select multiple items at once. It's all about creating a workspace that serves your current focus. If this step-by-step breakdown make your design process easier, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. It helps me create more in-depth content just like this for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.